Welcome back, guys, to Brighten Up Sunshine. Are you feeling trapped in the rat race? Are you working hard, just barely able to pay the bills? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share some actionable strategies to help you escape the rat race without having to quit your 9 to 5. So let's jump right in and get started on the journey to financial freedom. The first things first, you have to access your current financial situation. You have to know where you're at. So take a close look at your income, your expenses, your debts, and your savings. You're going to create a detailed budget that outlines where your money goes each and every month. Identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential spending. You have to understand your finances. It's the foundation for making informed decisions that will help you escape the rat race. You can use budget apps or spreadsheets or just a good old-fashioned pen and paper to help you track your progress and actually stay organized. Now, number 2, you have to build an emergency fund. This will help you focus on building the foundation for financial success, which is an emergency fund and a budget. This is crucial for providing you with safety nets as you explore new income opportunities. You need to aim for saving about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high yield savings account is fine. Now, the reason this matters is having this cushion money will give you the confidence to take calculated risk without jeopardizing your financial stability. You can actually set up and automate your savings by setting up regular transfers to your savings account. Now, let's explore some side hustles. Now that we've talked about the budget, this is one of the most effective ways to increase your income while you still have your 9 to 5 job. Identify your skills and your interests to find side hustles that actually fit your lifestyle. Options include freelance work, tutoring, drop shipping, and even pet sitting. And I have more videos on the channel to go even more into deep side hustles. Side hustles can provide additional income that can be used to pay down debt and invest in your future. You need to start small and gradually scale up as you become more comfortable with managing your time. Now, I need you to take a minute and think about investing in yourself. Invest in yourself through education and skill development. The more you know, the more valuable that you become. And the old saying is, the more you know, the more you earn. So you need to take online courses if you can, or just watch some free YouTube videos. Attend workshops and seek certifications that enhance your current skill set or teach you new ones. Upskilling can actually lead to promotions and new job opportunities that align more closely with your financial goals. Look for free or low-cost resources. And a lot of times the local community and your local library can connect you to some of these. So, networking is the next thing I want to talk about, and this is a game changer in escaping the rat race. You build relationships with like-minded individuals who can inspire and support you. Attend industry events, join online communities, or simply reach out to colleagues and acquaintances, just over some coffee. Networking can lead to a new job opportunity, collaborations, or valuable mentorships, and this can accelerate your path to financial freedom. Follow up with contacts after meeting to maintain and strengthen these connections. Set clear goals. Finally, let's talk about setting clear and achievable financial goals. This gives you something concrete to work toward as you navigate your escape from the rat race. Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals and break them into actionable steps. Having a roadmap will help you focus and motivate you on your journey to financial independence. Review and adjust your goals to reflect your progress and any changes in your situation. All right, there you have it. 6 actionable strategies to help you escape the rat race without having to quit the 9 to 5 job. With commitment, the right mindset, which really does matter, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Brighten Up Sunshine. If you've made it this far, you deserve to see today's artwork. What do you think of that? Is that adorable or what? I hope you guys really did enjoy the video. I hope you found it very helpful. And I hope that you will watch more of the videos. Should be popping up about right now, if not already. And I'll see you guys over there in those other videos. If you have a subject you want me to cover, drop the comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you later. Bye.